just triggered the wheel on the ultimate Firelink explosion. Let's see what we get. Keep going, major, major, stop, 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 stop. Well, we'll take a Firelink bonus. Here we go. Alright, come on now. 2 spins to go. Oh. Yes, get up there. 1 more to unlock that next row. There we go. 1 more to unlock. We've got a miner up there. You guys see that? Right there. Let's get that miner. Come on, 1 more. Oh. Last spin. Let's unlock it. No! Darn it. Alright, what's our total? Not too bad, 19. Alright, $19 only sat here for about 2 minutes, so I'll take it. I think we did a good one here. Thank you, Ultimate Firelink Explosion. Please like and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot. I'll see you soon.